Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Your WordPress media library stores all your uploaded images, videos, and documents in one place. But what if you need to download all your media files? One common reason is when switching hosting providers. You'll need to manually transfer all your media files as part of the migration process. Of course, it's much easier if your web hosting provider offers automatic backups that include your media library, or if the new host provides free migration services like we do on GigaPress hosting. However, if your hosting provider doesn't support these services, you'll need to use one of the 3 easy ways to download your entire media library in WordPress that we go over in this video. First is by using cPanel or File Manager. Log into your web hosting account and open cPanel. From here, navigate to the File section and select File Manager. Now, open the public_HTML file, go to WP-content, and open the Uploads folder. Now, select the entire folder, right-click, compress, select the compression type, then enter the name of the compressed archive and click Compress Files. Now, right-click on the zip file and select Download. Once done, go to the downloaded folder, right-click, and select Extract All. Now you have all your media files in your local folder. Another way to download your media library is through an FTP client like FileZilla. To install FileZilla, open your browser and go to filezilla-project.org. Once installed, log in using the FTP credentials provided by your web host. If you want to know the step-by-step process of connecting your site to FileZilla, click the link in the description below. On the server side, navigate to the root directory of your WordPress site or the public_HTML folder. On the local side, navigate to the folder on your computer where you'd like to save your WordPress media files. Next, on the server side, navigate to the WP-content folder and select the Uploads folder. From here, you can drag and drop the entire Uploads folder to the local side. Depending on the size of your media library, this may take a while. Alternatively, you can right-click the Uploads folder and select Download. Once the download is complete, you'll have a full copy of your entire WordPress media library. Finally, if you're not comfortable using cPanel or FTP, you can use a WordPress plugin to download your media files. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click Add New Plugin. On the search box, type Export Media Library. Now install and activate this plugin. Once you've activated it, go to the Media section of the WordPress menu and you'll notice a new Export option. Now, here you can specify your preferred folder structure. This determines whether you get a single folder containing all your media files or a folder containing nested folders by upload date. You can also choose whether you'd like to compress the folder. Enabling compression will decrease the size of the zip download, but it requires more processing by your server. If you have a large media library, compressing the folder may temporarily slow down your website, but if you don't compress it, it will take longer to download. In this case, I'll select No. Once you're satisfied with your choices, simply click Download Zip to begin the download. Once completed, you'll have a zip folder containing all of your WordPress media files. Right-click on it and select Extract All. Select the destination folder, then click Extract. That's it! Now you have 3 easy ways to download your entire WordPress media library. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.